My name is Chris, and welcome to the Camperdan Files. So here we are at camp. We have Camperdan parked here. Fire ban, fire restriction, burn ban, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it's still ongoing. So this is a site that we've checked out a few other times in the past. We've never actually spent the night at this particular dispersed site, but we're going to try it tonight. Check out these trees. We did miss our sunset. Per the usual, you're usually up here in the dark, setting up in the dark, but still have a little bit of ambient light left. So it's all good. And the bug's already attacking me. So for tonight's dinner, we decided not to cook at all. We're doing things super simple. It's supposed to rain, so I didn't want to bring a bunch of cooking gear and utensils. So here we have some sushi. It was smashed in transit. Also have a sandwich that I'm going to be eating. But I'll go ahead and start with this guy. I haven't had sushi in years. This is cooked sushi. So I like to try things as they are first before I put any of this special sauce on. I have a salami sandwich. It was $4. So I've had a few of these in the past, Seagrams, not this particular flavor. This one is called Calypso Colada. And since I'm West Indian, I figured I'll give this a go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, it tastes exactly how I was hoping. Here in a little while, I'm gonna get a little bit more settled in. We're gonna watch a movie. We actually have two movies. Right now, the Red Box has a 2 for 2 special where you can rent 2 movies for one night for $2. These are just cheap Harbor Freight magnetic lights. Prior to COVID, they usually give these away when you make a certain dollar amount on your purchase. This string light, I believe we picked this up online on Amazon, or it possibly might have been Walmart. I can't remember, but you guys have seen this in a few of my videos already. So it's coming up on 8:30, and this is what the sky looks like around us in camp right now. Make no mistake, it's dark. The only reason why we're able to see things this good is because of our cameras. So as you guys just seen, Our sleeping arrangements have been made already. We did this in anticipation of the rain. And now we're probably gonna go ahead and watch one of these two movies. Good morning, guys. It is approximately 8:16 a.m. I've been up since about 6:30, 7 o'clock-ish. I'm waiting for our rain. It hasn't arrived yet, but check out the cloud cover that's moving in. It almost looks like fog, but obviously this isn't coming off of like a lake or a body of water because there's no water around us here. And usually when you see that type of activity, the rain shouldn't be too far behind. So, hoping that we get some action, but if we don't, there's always next time. Here in a few minutes, me and my wife, we're going to be packing down camp. We're going to get the truck reorganized and everything. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. He's trying to document our chipmunk friend here. So I found this little path here. The video doesn't know justice, it's really steep. Whew. I'm still trying to catch my breath. So here's our cloud cover here on the mountain, as you can see. And when you look back down towards the valley, look at how blue it is down there. But yeah, this thing comes back and it deadheads right here. But it looks like people have, what they've done is come up and then I guess they back in right here. This little outcropping here. It'll be a steep sleep. Yeah, I don't think anybody in their right mind has slept up here. At least not in their vehicle, maybe in a tent, maybe. Or possibly in a sleeping bag. But yeah, it's so cool. I don't know if we would get Camperdan in here. I've passed some pretty big ruts. You're looking at one of them right now. That hole there on the left. Somebody's been in here recently. And I want to say these are Falcon Wild Peeps. These tread patterns. Any tread experts out there, let me know in the comments what tires you believe laid these treads down. Personally, I think they were Falcons. There's another pattern that I've seen. Where was it? It's just up here on the right somewhere. Yep, right here. And I'm assuming that this was made by the same vehicle. It looks like it was only one. And it really should only be one coming up here. But yeah, these ruts gonna be kind of tricky to navigate. This one, if I ever came in here, what I would try to do is ride the high side. This wall right here, where those rocks are that haven't been touched, I would come that way. I wouldn't even try to get into that rut. Because I'm pretty sure my limited slip will definitely break loose on that. And then we'll be rolling back down the hill backwards, trying to gain traction again. Another concern is going to be this tree stump right here. I'm gonna make a mental note of this guy not to run over it, because that could take our tire out too. Mind you, I have street tires, so I don't know. I probably won't come in here with these tires that I have on right now. If I still had my stock rims on, yeah, I would run this thing all day. But with the tires that I have, they're more on the street side. They don't have any grip to them, so I'm not even gonna play myself thinking that I'm Macho Man coming in here with those. But yeah, I would just come right up, try to get my right wheel to stay right of the stump, and just track straight up and over that rut, and hopefully not fall into it. Now, on the way back down, not too bad. You know, everything up until that point right there is not too bad, except for the initial ruts. To these guys right here. As a matter of fact, me go on this side so you guys can kind of see the depth. So it's right here, right there is one, and then right there is one. These I'm not so concerned with. You know, if you navigate this correctly, there's really nothing to worry about here. Getting past this one. It's just the main one that's up the hill there. And this is just opposite of where I camped last night. So this is the main road that goes in and out of here. To leave, we can either go this way, back the way we came, which is this way, or we can just keep going this way. Now, this is the roadway that leads to my dispersed site. Looks like side-by-side tracks. So there's a side-by-side in here too at some point. Oh, another set of tracks. These look like BF Goodwrench. Oh, they are. These are definitely KO2s. Those tracks that I seen on the other side of the mountain, they were definitely reminiscent of a Falcon Wild Peak. Thanks again for stopping by the Camperdan Files. My name is Chris. If you've enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a like. And while you're at it, don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, keep using your Pathfinder as a Pathfinder, on or off the pavement. Guys, I was wondering what happened to our rain, why we didn't see it. I don't know if you guys can see it here, but in the middle of this 2-lane road here, there's water. And this morning when we seen those clouds, they sure enough were coming from down here. They were coming up, ascending the mountain. So it turns out that the rain fell down here and not up on the mountain like we were expecting. Actually kind of sad about that. But we'll have to play meteorologists and do better forecasting next time, I guess. So here's our beloved rain finally. As you can see, we're not at camp. I'm at home and we're in my driveway. But it's about 5:35 p.m. and it finally gave us some droplets. It's not even enough to really do anything, but it is raining. Yeah, I was hoping to see this on the mountain. That didn't happen. Seeing little make-believe water droplets down here. Come on, Imani.